welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to attempt to remove as much rust as possible using different techniques that I've learned during the years of restoring cars. So wish me luck and let's follow this journey together. And as you can see the rust what I need to remove. I'm going to check all areas of the rear of the car, but my mission is to actually work from the rear forward, and in the next few videos work towards the front of the car. You can just see the chassis rails just there, just past the jack. So this is what I need to do. I need to remove the rust from there. And there's a number of methods I'm going to use which I've learned over the years. So again, as I always say, wish me luck and let's get down to it. Before I begin, this is actually an interesting point. It's only rusting where Volvo has not undersealed. If you can see where Volvo has applied the underseal, there is virtually no rust. And I've been saying this to my friends for a long time, that manufacturers actually build in design for the car to rust in places. Because if cars did not rust, we would have cars which are 20, 30, 40 years old. So to keep the manufacturing of new cars have got to age, so they do rust. Parts do not last, because if that was the case, if parts did last, we would not have the likes of Volvo or Nissan or Honda, because we would be all driving around in 20, 30, 40-year-old cars. So you can just see the rust is where Volvo has not undersealed. And I'll be interested to see, when I remove all the rust, how the underseal has actually coped in, preventing. as you can see, it's slowly, the rust is being removed. So quite happy with the results. Still a lot of work to do yet, So I'm still going to attack the wheel tub and this rear chassis leg, which you can see there. So I'm going to attack all that and just clean it the best I can, and then start using different methods of rust removal. Welcome back. Well, as you can see, I've spent about 3 hours using the grinder and also the drill attachment, and as you can see, I've removed the majority of the rust on the wheel tub, and I'm just slowly showing you what's been achieved in 3 hours of work. So as you can see, just go up there, you can just see there's just, I think, maybe another hour or so of removing rust, and it'll be ready for the primer. But I'm happy with the results. Everything's solid. People would call that surface rust, however I would call that, it's, you know, it was deep rust, however it's solid as a rock. So I'm pleased about that. So this is 3 hours of day 1, and now I'm going to upload it, and we can keep a diary of the progress.